Hello guys again, and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today we've got these three products: quick square multi-angle ruler and the Parkside Architect triangular scale. Nice. Well, let's start with this. Quick square for 90 degrees or 45 degrees miter angles, easy to read markings. Material is aluminium. Nice. Multi-angle ruler with 4 adjustable rulers for measuring angles and shapes on a brick, stone, tiles and any angled material. Ruler with a centimeter and inch markings. And the last, it is the Architect triangular scale with a color coding. Easy select the scale you want. 3-sided with 6 different scales: 1 by 100, 1 by 200 in red, 1 by 300 and 1 by 400 in blue, 1 by 500 and 1 by 600 in yellow. Measuring range is from 0 to 30 centimeters. Material, it is aluminium. Nice. It feels very nice in my hand. Yep, it is aluminium, quite durable, like it. And here with the screws you can adjust it, find the right adjustments, the shape you want, and make the measurements and cut it. Same here, we've got yellow, blue and red. Nice. Well, let's find where we can use them. Starting with a quick square. If you want to draw a line, you can put it just like that. Both sides, it doesn't matter. You've got this gap here, and definitely it will prevent you to move further. And you can draw a line. Of course, you can measure from 0 to 18 centimeters. And you can flip it from this side. And you have an angle 45 degrees. And of course, you can use it as a guide. Draw the line, straight line, then take your jigsaw or your saw blade, find the right position, flip it that, hold it very steady, and you will have a guide to cut the wood. That is very convenient. And you can use it as a pivot. Here you can see there is a gap. Go here, and there we've got the decrease from 0 to 80 degrees. Find the number that you want. Let's say 35. There it is. Draw the line. Flip it over. And then you will have a 35 degrees angle. That's very easy. Now let's say we've got a wood, it is about 3 centimeters. Let's say 4 centimeters. And you want to install it from this line further. 4 centimeters from this line. And we can see here we've got this gap. It is 8.5 centimeters. 0 it is from here, from the start. As I said, it is 4 centimeters the wood. Find the 4 centimeters correct in this line. Draw. And between these two lines you can install your wood. Now let's say you want to draw a line, a straight, clear line. We can see here we've got this gap. Here it is exactly 2.5 centimeters. And there you've got a straight line. Very easy. And the same, and from this side. And you've got a straight line. Or you can check if you've got a 90 degrees angle correct with a wood. And here we can see we've got the metric common rafter conversion tables, decimeter rise by meter equal degrees. There is so many things that you can measure and cut straight lines. Definitely it is a very good tool for a carpenter, for a contractor that builds homes, and why not, and if you want to cut a metal. Nice, I like it. Well, let's move on now to this Architect triangular scale. Here we can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scales. Well, if you've got a draw at the table, you can manage to find the right scale and see how much it is in a real scale. Use it as an architecture and definitely it will help you a lot. Here we've got 1 by 100, 1 by 200, 1 by 300, 1 by 400, 1 by 500 and 1 by 600. And the measurement point, it is always from this side or from this side. Doesn't matter how you want to measure something. It goes from 0 to 30 and from 0 to 30 and from this side. Same goes to other 6 measurement scales. It is very durable, it is aluminum, it doesn't bend, and I can see all the lines is very accurate and very clear to see. Nice. And the other tool I have here, this is the multi-angle ruler. It is very good and nice tool. You can find very well a design somewhere. I've got this wood and I would like to transfer this exactly diameter of this wood on somewhere else, and that is very easy. Just tie this ruler, and same here applies, and there you are. You've got a very correct and straight dimensions. Now here we are. Let's say we need to cut this shape and transfer at the tile and cut it very straight. Now screw this ruler, find the right dimensions. You've got centimeters and inches, and here now the shape is ready. Go to the tile, marble, stone, whatever you want, and cut it, and then you can install it, and it will be very nice. It will look great. Well guys, that was all about. Very good tools, made from aluminium, very durable, it's not bending anything, very well manufactured, and definitely there are tools that you can use it in your everyday life. If you are an architect, to have a very accurate measurements for cutting woods and metal, very accurate and straight lines, for cutting the right dimensions when you want to install a tile, stone, marble. Most common thing is for renovation, a bathroom or your home. Definitely you need this tool to have a very accurate shapes at the material you want to cut. And it is in centimeters and inch. It goes from 0 to 25 and 0 to 10. And they cost 5 and 5 euros each one. That was all guys, thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.